Killmonger was right, or Ben Carson is in the sunken place, or how about this? Simply, President Trump is a total and complete
Okay, so I know what's in your mind. Was that really Barack Obama? No. So who is it? To find out, stick till the end of this episode of the ML Veda. Hi, hello, and welcome to the ML Veda. Since this is the first video of this channel, I'll probably start by introducing myself. I am Valluri Pavan Preetham. I'm a deep learning researcher, a deep learning and TensorFlow specialist certified by deeplearning.ai, an undergrad student, a musician, a singer, a dancer, and a Taekwondo black belt holder. So first question, why are we doing machine learning? Or why are we providing machine learning content on this channel? To answer that, let's take the current demand in technology. Every day there's so much data produced. Collectively, all our devices together, your smartphones, laptop, smart TVs, produce about 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. That is per day. And these IT companies or these tech giants make use of the data to do some analytics to benefit for themselves, to improve their business of course, and to improve the customer experience. Right? To make that clear, let's say you're starting off a business and you sell a product. Customers who bought the product review on Twitter. You extract all their tweets and do something called a sentiment analysis on the tweets, by which you get to know what sector of customers liked the product, what sector of customers did not like the product, and many more insights like that, which is obviously helpful to grow your business. There are also advantages for the customers. Let's say Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, the recommendation engines. Every time you watch a series, it automatically recommends another series which is similar to this one or something which you might like. So it obviously improves customer experience as well. So what does this platform offer for us? As in, we, the people who build the platforms for the users or the businesses to get the most out of the data. You get paid hell lot of money for doing that. Maybe you're a data scientist, a machine learning engineer, a deep learning researcher at some R&D department in some big tech giant. You get paid so much money and the work is really fun. So who is this channel targeted at? This channel is for people who want to get started with machine learning, being absolute beginners, as in they have no background knowledge about machine learning and they want to get started with machine learning and to grow from a beginner to bring a pro. Always knowing some high school math and computer programming languages such as C, C++, JavaScript, Python, Java, Julia, doesn't matter what you know. It always helps. But if you have no background knowledge in the stuff I just told, don't worry about it. You can always learn on the go. So most of the content in this channel comes from my learning and my experiences with machine and deep learning, and I'll be sharing it with all of you and also probably learn something from you guys too. So I hope we all together can learn and grow at the ML Veda.